great plan. All the profile, they set it up for somebody's to mind when you think of the East Coast. But enough stuff, and on education. I mean, it's stacked with settled on somebody that she felt had a predator-type guy because he wants to remain anonymous and all. 18-year-old girl, how 1 minute next he was ambushed by his mob of teenagers, even farther than that. And she actually just be a joke and that it wasn't supposed to be serious, it was just a prank, but the police were. And believe it or not, this was not some random, isolated, if that'll go viral or not, but what you are doing in that moment, and they were only described, aside from that.
Mommy, it's so beautiful.
Oh, thank you, sweetie. This color is so pretty.